A house that thinks for itself. Magitech Gate. Our AI-powered access control system identifies and verifies visitors in seconds. Maximum security without compromising comfort. All use cases and responses shown here are flexible and can be individually tailored to the user's needs. A network of intelligent cameras monitors the entire property, ensuring safety. Doors open automatically based on your current location, providing smooth and secure access to every area. Our system is designed for seamless expansion, offering additional features and custom solutions according to your requirements. Security systems monitor your home around the clock. From fire and water damage to unauthorized access, everything is detected in real time and immediate action is taken.
Hello? May I help you?
Sorry.
Sensitive areas in the house can be specially secured with individually adapted access controls and increased surveillance, granting access only to authorized persons. The intelligent camera network precisely distinguishes between residents, pets, and potential threats. Our system identifies both your pets on the property and dangerous intruders. Our system learns from the behavior of its users. If a camera detects a car leaving the garage, the property gate opens automatically. And even if the driver changes their mind and reverses, the system reacts immediately. The garage door opens again without the driver needing to intervene. Naturally, the gate closes again automatically afterward. Even if the alarm system is not activated, our system remains vigilant. Intruders are detected immediately, warnings are triggered, and the desired measures are automatically executed, anytime and reliably.
No phone.
If you lock yourself out, a simple push of a button and a glance at one of the cameras will prompt the system to verify your identity. Once authorization is confirmed, the shutter reopens. Across the entire property, an optimized network ensures a stable Wi-Fi connection at every location. These and other use cases are provided by our product Magitech Gate. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.